Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Tesla Model 3 efficiently. First, always precondition your battery before starting your journey. This ensures optimal energy usage. Next, check your tire pressure regularly, aiming for about 42 psi for best efficiency. Finally, master regenerative braking by lifting your foot off the accelerator early, allowing the car to recover energy and extend your range. These initial steps are crucial for maximizing your Tesla's efficiency from the start. Now, let's talk about your driving style. Smooth acceleration is key. Avoid sudden bursts of speed to conserve precious battery energy. Always look ahead and anticipate traffic conditions, allowing you to coast and use regenerative braking rather than hard braking. For an even smoother experience, engage the chill acceleration mode in your settings. This mode significantly reduces power output, making your driving more efficient and comfortable. Your Tesla offers features to help manage energy. Try to limit your speed, as efficiency decreases notably above 65 miles per hour. For maximum energy recovery, select the Hold Regenerative Braking mode, which brings the car to a complete stop using only regen. Also, precondition your cabin temperature while your car is still plugged in and charging. This uses grid power instead of your battery, saving energy for your drive. Finally, let's consider some advanced habits. Remove any unnecessary weight from your car, as a lighter vehicle requires less energy to move. Be mindful of your climate control usage. Heating and cooling can consume a significant amount of battery. Lastly, plan your routes strategically to avoid heavy traffic and steep hills, which both demand more power. Implementing these tips will significantly boost your Tesla Model 3's efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.